morning, I'm Travis Hayes with Mercury Marine. I'm a product applications engineer, and we're going to take a few minutes today to show you some new systems with Mercury Marine engines. One of the nice convenience features the design team put into the new V6 V8 engines. On the V8 Verados, hey, you key up in the morning, display prompts up, checks the oil for us. No need to look at the service door. If we have a mechanically shifted motor, we've got this cool little service door. We open it up, lift the dipstick out, make sure oil's okay. If we need some information, we have a placard on this guy. It tells us which viscosity to use for which engine model. If we need to add oil, the fill is right there. If we need additional information, single point lift cowling, lift it up. There's a placard on the back of the motor. Hit it with a QR code, take you to mercurymarine.com for additional information for your service needs. Hey, this is Travis again. Hey, we're up in the Mercury booth at the Miami Boat Show, and we just want to show you a few things on the new V6, V8 engines we have. Starting with the alternator charging systems, Mercury has prided itself on being world class in this. On the new V6 motors, we are now producing 85 amp alternator output, and on some V8 models, up to 105 amp alternator output for all those world class electronics you have on those fancy boats. While performing your maintenance, again, easy use. Hey, look at that oil filter, it's real easy to get to. There's also a little catch under this guy, so again, as you change that oil filter, we're going to catch that oil with a valve. You put a hose on that and drain it so it doesn't get down your cowling and make a mess later down the road. Another good feature the design team did on the Mercury V6 V8 motors is they really paid attention to the do-it-yourself folks and made this nice oil drain system here. So when you do your annual maintenance, you're able to use this little valve right here, put a hose on it, put it down your oil pan so you can catch your oil when you're draining the oil for your annual maintenance and not make a mess in the garage or driveway. One of the great things the engine teams did and helm teams did at Mercury is they made the new technology on the V6 and V8 engines to where it's a great package and available for a repower customer. So if we want to go digital and for the full suite of electronics and all the bells and whistles, hey, we can go this way. We can also order these engines and set them up to where we can use them on more of a traditional boat, single engine or smaller multi-engine boats, to where they're mechanically shifted like we did back in the late 90s, early 2000s. Those new motors will talk to any different application we can put in front of them. Hey, let me tell you a little bit about some of the displays we have on this nice Scout. Again, got some nice Garmin multifunction displays. Also have a freestanding Mercury Vessel View 502. The cool thing about all these displays is there's a gateway under the dash. Everybody gets to talk to each other via the NEMA N2K system. So we can look at Mercury data on any of these, or we can, like I said, we can play with digital switching. I can look at Mercury data on this Garmin if I'd like to. There's something going. Or we can dig down onto the Mercury screen a little deeper and see some additional data with all kinds of fun stuff. So can get all kinds of pop-up safety warnings. So if we're going to joystick, we'll get a pop-up saying we're in joystick. Or we can get the skyhook going. And we'll get an alert here that we're in skyhook. Nice, clean system for the boater to enjoy get all the information and with a real ease of use. Hey, thanks for your attention and your time today. If you need additional information, please take the time to visit mercurymarine.com.